Hi guys, welcome to our Tuesday hike. So today we are here in Elbow Pass. So we are going to Elbow Lake Trail. So this is the view from the parking lot, and there we go. As you can see, there are wildflowers. Ma, saan tayo punta, ma? Ha? Okay. So, Elbow Lake is on the right. Okay. Yeah.
Can I have your...
What? Okay, get it. So, kailangan ng stick ng matanda, guys. Oh, there's pag mahihina tuhod, gumagamit ng sungkod. Huwag kang mahiya.
Pwede ba?
Gamitan mo ng tungkod. So medyo paakyat yung trail dito, guys. So, I'll try my best not to use tungkod. Guys, may tae dito. I don't know if it's from the bear, horse, or deer. So, paakyat siya. Actually, wala pa akong tulog, guys. Partida pa yan, ha. Di kagaya ng isa dyan nasa likod ko. Sakto tulog. Kailangan ko gumamit ng tungkod. Ginamitan ko na ng hiwagang tungkod, guys. At medyo inclined siya. Pasensya na po sa mga kumakain dyan. Kung may nakikita kayong tae, hindi po sa akin yan. Push! Medyo kaya naman. Yung incline. Yung incline niya, okay lang. So, medyo smoky yung kapaligiran namin ngayon. Dahil sa mga wildfires. Pero not as bad as Calgary yung smoke dito.
Rambo.
Ha? Stones? Guys, tingnan nyo yung nakita ko. May gumagawa ng porn dito. Mga wasp. Hindi ko alam kung anong flower to. Pero para siyang broccoli. Dahon niya parang watermelon. Ano, kaya mo pa? Okay. Kaya pa daw niya, guys. kagubatan.
Ha?
Wala. Sabihan mo lang ako kung gusto mong pahinga. Expect mong Dapasi City. Saan ba nagmana yun?
That's what I know. Diba nung wearing runners? Mayroon pa parang shade.
I don't know if you can see this, guys, but it's a beautiful mountain with a beautiful lady.
Check. Ano prepare yung ano?
So Huh?
Ano natin?
Yeah? Kaming dalawa lang dito, guys. So far. So yung hike namin, guys, is a total of 9 kilometers.
So like 4 kilometers going up, 4.5, 4 kilometers going down.
Then ang elevation nito is 300 what? 306
Yeah.
meters.
Yeah.
Yeah, 306 meters. So yung una lang namang yung unang 2 meters lang yung ano, paakyat. Hopefully. Whew. Kaya mo yan. Ganda ng trail dito. Challenging nga lang. But it's okay. We will survive. Okay pa kami, guys. Kaya pa. Kaya pa, ma. Kaya pa daw niya. Mapagkunwari. Mapagkunwaring kaya. Wala akong tulog. Medyo patapos na yung ano, guys. Patapos na yung incline. Incline. Naamoy ko na ang simoy ng lawa. Lake is lawa, di ba? Yan. Nakikita ko na, guys. Malapit na. We can do this. Hello. You know which way?
Huh?
You know which way?
Doon ba niya doon?
Saan? Hindi ba?
Ikaw, parang
Hindi ba packet doon?
oh, you don't want to stop right here?
Oh yeah, we can.
That's in the muddy.
It's muddy.
Yeah.
So this is the lake, guys. What's the name of the lake?
Elbow Lake.
Elbow Lake. So, as you can see, I don't know if nakikita nyo, but it's very clear. A little windy, a little smoky, but it's beautiful. So doon pa tayo pupunta? Saan tayo punta?
Tingnan natin yung trail doon.
Okay. So ito yung lake. Medyo maputik lang siya guys, mahirap puntahan. But it's okay. Oh, dito guys. Okay, doon pala. Okay. Yan, alam ko na paano magbasa ng map. Maligaw ka tapos yun na yun. Para sa inyo to, sa mga 14 followers ko sa YouTube. Salamat sa pagsusubscribe nyo. Mostly sa inyo, siguro mga family ko. So thank you so much. I love you all. So yung hinahanap namin guys is yung Edworthy Falls. So actually di namin nakita sa map, pero hopefully dito yun. Hopefully kaya may gusto nito, ha? So pwede rin mag Deus camping dito, diba? Deus yung sinabi? Yeah, Deus camping. And then flowers ng moss yan? I don't know. Worth it naman yung hike. But we don't know if dito rin yung falls. Yung isa may nakita ng halaman. Are we gonna cross? I think so. Yeah, I think so. Fourth trail. Are we going to cross? May ano dun? Sindang din pala. Daan na lang to ng kabayo. Doon daan na ng tao. Oh.
We can cross.
Malambot eh. Ingat ka. May mga rock. Pampalamig. I don't know if nakikita nyo yan guys, pero sobrang ganda ng Rockies. Napapalibutan kami ng Rockies. Sobrang ganda ng formation. Maganda lang yung ina-appreciate ko yan, pero di ko aakyat din yan. May hinahanap kasi kaming waterfalls. Yung problema, hindi mark. Ewan ko kung ni-research to ng mabuti ng babae ko.
I think we want to go next door.
So beautiful. beautiful. So natural. So peaceful. Nandito kami ngayon sa Dawson's Creek, guys. Sa tabing ilog. Wow, tumawid ng ilog. What? Huh? So we can't pass through here.
No, there's the other way. Sa kabila.
Let's see. 2 kilometers pa lang tayo?
Yep.
How? Sira yung relo mo. I
No.
feel like it's 10 kilometers already. Nung wala.
I mean, if this is not it, then I don't know what. And like the water is flowing where?
There. From the lake. Are you walking on the right path?
I don't know if I touch these.
Doesn't need to be high cut. It's waterproof.
Yeah, that's a different thing, no?
Yeah. Ano na?
Tama to.
Are you okay?
Huh?
Can pass through there. Ay, dumaan kami dito sa may daanan? Wala.
Wala. Wala din.
Yan na yan.
I don't know. Where is it?
That's the end of the line. Baka doon sa taas. May,
Ayun, doon.
may,
Ito lang pala yun.
itong phone ko, guys, matagal ko na binili to. Pero yaya ako ng yaya dito mag-hike. Ayaw naman. Ayun. Ito na lang. Once a month. May dalawang, twice a month. May same day off kami. Kala ko may tatawiran na naman tayong tubig. May bato-bato.
2.5.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
2.5 kilometers.
Huh?
1.5 more kilometers.
1.5. Naririnig naman ako tao. Ha? Tao? Ha? Yan siguro banda.
Ano mo hinap ng stepping nito. Stepping nito. Ano ka mapapasok sa
Rocks?
Oo.
At least, kung napapagod kayo, na-exercise yung heart mo.
Ang heart rate ko is, so ngayon 113 na lang. Kanina 134 or 145.
So, medyo tahimik ko tayo. Baka may biglang Yogi Bear na lalabas. Okay lang yung black bear, wag lang yung crispy. Buti pa yun sa Pinas guys, yung ginagawa nila alay lakad. Ito yata alay buhay. Sobrang tahimik. Kamahangin no?
Yeah.
Yung huni ng hangin, huni ng tubig. Tingnan mo. Oh? Yan yung sound guys. Ng ship. Nature lang talaga naririnig mo. Sa ilog, ang mundo'y
Huwag
tahimik.
kang kakanta!
Actually, may heat wave ngayon sa Alberta mo or Calgary lang? Sa Alberta. Pero napaka-presko ng hangin dito. Siguro kasi maraming tanim. Yung amoy ng pine tree. Amoy na amoy mo eh. Na-overpower niya yung kain na nandito sa train. So, back in action guys. Nag-lowbat yung isang battery. So, napalitan ko na. May nakikita akong mist.
This is nice. What is this?
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Ganda ng balik. Whew. Sobrang init ngayon guys. So dapat may baon kayo maraming tubig para di kayo ma-dehydrate. At sobrang layo pa ng lalakarin kung may mangyayari sa inyo pag na-dehydrate kayo. So drink water. Hi guys. So I don't know if we can still find the waterfalls, but if not, it's okay. It was a good hike. The place was beautiful. Is that the wind? Yeah, parang may mist. So let's see. Parang Christmas tree ito guys, oh. Or pine tree. I don't know. So may trail siya dito. Dito may trail. No?
Yeah?
Let's try. Pag wala, balik naman tayo. So this will be our last try guys. Sa paghahanap ng nawawalang waterfalls. So hopefully mahanap namin para mas worth it talaga ang paghahanap ng Edworthy. Hindi. Paglansa ng bear. Kuku! Kuku! Hansel, Hansel,
Huh?
and Gretel. Mahanap kaya namin na hinahanap namin? Abangan!
5.5.
Medyo malayo na po yung lakad namin guys. But hopefully may mahanap kami dito. Kasi nagiging waterfall chaser kasi itong isa. Ako hike lang eh. Okay na. Ano na? 6 na tayo?
Not yet. 5.
So 5.6 kilometer yung lakad namin guys.